Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting radiator fans in my 1998 Maxima. This should be fun. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, welcome. This is what we're doing today. We're putting looks like it's already been opened once, but we are putting a radiator fan into the Maxima. Alright guys, stick around for it. We'll be right back. Alright guys, first things first, we have to take this right here off, so we're going to need a 10mm. Let's tighten it, let's loosen it. There we go. Let's take this off right here. Put that to the side a little bit. I might have to take that box off. Yeah, that's not a big deal, so we'll just take this box off. Well, we ain't really got to take it off, just kind of. There we go. It's got 4 clips. Give me a little bit of room right there. Well, I still don't want to come out. I believe it's a little jam right there, so maybe it will stay as long as we can get the rest of this off. Being electrical, let's undo this battery. One of the jobs I need to be doing is actually cleaning this battery, but you know, one thing at a time. Here we go. Take the battery. Let's put this out of the way. Well, let's not let it touch nothing. That's corroded. So okay, that's good. Now I might have to take my gloves off this one, because I don't know if that's going to allow me to, take that out of there. It's just got a little clip on it, but you've got to hold that clip down to get that out. I might clean that up a little bit. But anyway, take that clip off. Take this little piece, it's kind of in there, yeah, take that out. Got another one over here, take that out. Come over here, that's kind of in there, so move that back a little bit. We have another clamp right here. Take that out. There's a piece, where's my glove at? There's a piece right down here. It might be holes or something, but let's see if I can pull it up to me a little ways. Let's make this smarter, not harder. Okay, put that there. Uh-oh, we don't want to lose it. So, I mean, I don't really know what the deal was with it. Just started one day, making a bunch of clinking noises. And I really didn't like to hear the noises, so thought I would get a new one. Let's see. I'm gonna take that out. Try not to, I mean, you know, it's an older car. Try not to mess up no more than we have to. So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hose down there, and it's kind of in a little clamp. That's what I'm actually trying to get loose. So, I finally got it, but all I have to say is I hope you have smaller smaller hands than I do, because that was what the new Whoa. Okay. Pull this up. And the one thing you want to make sure, if you're wondering how the bottom connects, you've got two little tits right here. Make sure those two tits goes into the bottom, and you should be good. All right, guys, that's it for us today. Yeah, it was a little rough, but we got it. Probably help if you had smaller hands, and also if you went under the vehicle to do, you know, the things you need to do at the bottom. There's only one little hose down there, but that hose pretty much kicked my butt. But anyway, if you don't do nothing else, please be good to yourself, and please be good to others, and definitely like, share, and subscribe. All right, appreciate it, guys.